Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best mobile screen recorder for your Android phone. Alright, without more ado, let's get started. Actually, I'm using a Google Pixel phone and my phone comes with an inbuilt screen recorder, alright? And some of the Android devices also have an inbuilt, screen recorder. But sometimes it does not give you the ability to, tweak everything to your taste and configure everything the way you want. So in this video, I'm going to show you an alternative, alright? So the first thing you need to do is to go to the Google Play Store. And over here, you're going to search for X Recorder, alright? So actually, this is it over here. Screen recorder. As you can see, this is the X Recorder. So this is the recorder that I use. As you can see, this is it over here. So you can download it, but since I've already downloaded it, I'm just going to open it from here. And that is the interface. And these are some of the videos I've recorded using this X Recorder app. As you can see, I'm using the Pro version. All right. So over here, you have the videos that you've recorded already. And right now, I'm using this same recorder to record this tutorial over here. So let's check out some of the interface. All right. So come to the settings app. As you can see, this is audio settings. Under audio settings, you can choose whether you want microphone. It means that as I'm talking right now, it's capturing my voice. All right. If you want internal audio, it's going to record only the audio made by your phone. All right. So if you want both the internal and microphone, you can tap this one over here. And if you want to mute it totally, you can tap on it over here. So right now I'm using microphone because it's recording my voice right now, not the voice of my device. So if you want internal and microphone, you can select the third one. All right. So here you have the volume settings and you have noise reduction. Actually, I'm not using noise reduction because when I'm going to edit this video, I'm going to reduce the noise. All right. So audio channel, make sure it's always on stereo. And let's go back. As you can see, this is the video settings. You tap on it. Okay, I cannot modify it right now, but right now I'm using 720p. You can use 1080 depending on your preference. All right. And orientation, as you can see, I'm doing automatic. My own is on auto. Means that if I switch my phone to landscape, the recording will also switch. All right. So save location, that's it over here. And we have other things over here. So recording mode, my own is on normal mode. Countdown before start, it means that my own count 3 seconds before it starts recording. All right. So pop-up window after taking screenshot. We have other things over here. Hide recording save window. Okay. Hide floating ball. Actually, there's always a floating ball over here if you're using this recorder. But if you tap on hide, so it's going to hide it when you're recording. All right. So you have another one here. Shake phone to stop recording. It means that my own is disabled because I don't like using that method. This option means that if you want to stop a recording, instead of swiping to stop it, just shake your phone and the recording is going to stop. All right. So the next one is keep recording when screen is off. My own that is not checked. So when my screen is off, my recording stops. We have other tools here like camera. Means that this one is going to show your face while you're recording. So the next one is screenshot. You can also screenshot while you're recording. The next one is brush. If you want to point something, for example, this is it over here. If I want to point something, that's it. And sometimes we use this arrow to indicate something. All right. So we have other things over there. We have the eraser. I can use it to erase this. Okay. So that's it, guys. Let me just erase everything. I shouldn't have done this in the first place, but it's for the sake of this tutorial. All right. So I'm just going to cancel it here, and that's it. I'm just going to uncheck it. So we have show touch. Show touch. You can set it up, and we have recording region. We have all of these things, right? So just make sure you explore all of this to yourself. As I've told you what is really necessary. Now we have this pen icon. So with this you can edit your video in the X Recorder. You can also merge video and photo. You can also edit your photo here, and you can also compress your video. But if you want to know the best way to compress your video without losing quality, make sure you check out this tutorial over here. All right. So over here we have the camera. You can see we have other things over here. So that's it for this video. If this video was very helpful to you, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and most importantly, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. So see you in the next video. Adios.